Hi guys, welcome back. Another day, another video. My name is Gail. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I know it has been a long since I've last uploaded my video. I am here with another beauty video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I have cut my crease in the easiest way possible. If you're already my subscriber, thank you very much. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're still watching my videos, and if you like my videos, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I post a new video. I'm directly starting with my eye makeup. I have prepped them and are ready to work on. Putting some tape to get the precise edges. Starting with a brown shade, I'm drawing a line right into my crease and getting it outwards and creating an illusion of a cut crease on the outer corner. And now, taking a blending brush, I'm blending it nicely to take off all the harsh edges. Further with the orange shade, I'm blending it and also creating a transition shade above my crease and on my outer eye. Now taking a shimmer shade, I am applying on the eyelids where I have cut my crease, following the shape of the crease. Putting in some liquid liner on my top lash line and also filling in my waterline with a KOHL liner. Further smudging the KOHL on my lower lash line. And now with the shimmer shade, I'm highlighting my inner corners and my brow bone. Applying some mascara on my upper and lower lashes to finish my eye makeup. Now by taking the bronzer, I'm warming up my face and giving it some dimension by contouring the hollows of my cheeks, the jawline and my forehead. Applying some blush to the apples of my cheeks. And also highlighting the high points of my face, the bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow. And finishing my makeup by applying a lipstick. This is one of my favorite lipsticks. And finally spraying some setting spray to set everything together. Hope you guys will like this and will surely give it a try. Till then, bye and see you in my next one.